All the members of parliament whose security has been withdrawn are members of parliament who are affiliated or
friendly to the deputy president.
Seen to be friendly to the deputy president.
Okay.
The latest case is Mheshimiwa Alice Wahome and Mheshimiwa Kimani Ngunjiri, whose even firearms were taken, and 2 days after his firearms were taken, his house was raided at night. People tried to break into his house. Therefore, when we speak and the deputy president said he is not a madman, I also say today I am also not mad. To be saying the things I'm saying
back to you.
And we're talking about life.
Yes.
We are not talking
back to you.
And I'll tell you why.
Yes.
We're talking about life because for them it's politics.
Who are they?
For us,
who are
the system, the people who told you the system.
Who is the system?
If you want to ask me who the system
Who is the
do
system?
you remember President Uhuru Kenyatta in 2012 talking about Madimoni?
That's the system?
Do you remember Madimoni?
That's the system?
Those Madimoni are the same Madimonis today. That is the system if you want to know who the system is. If you want to know who the system is,
yes.
The system is people like Kutunyi who will want to use unfortunate incidents like the death of Kenei to perpetuate a political narrative. The system includes media houses that have the audacity to push narratives, political narratives that have no basis. It is this station, Mijingu, that ran a clip here where DCI was telling the country that they have done what they call phone triangulation, and they have found there were 3 people, 3 men actually. You reported 3 men in Kenai's house. Where are those 3 men today? How did the DCI come to know there were men, not even women, or whatever they were? Today, the DCI has not told us, as Joy is asking, who are these Wazungus? How did they get into this country, on what kind of visas? Who allowed them in? Who else did they meet? How did they get to DOD? Because they did get into DOD. How did they leave the country at a time when active investigations were still going on? How sure are we today
you have raised a lot
that these
of
Wazungus
issues.
are not the ones who murdered Kene? And you let them go?
You have raised a lot of issues. Let me speak to
Respond to them.
Yes.
Ken, I think, again, I'll go back to the main focus. Because the issues that we should be asking ourselves is that I expected concern from the deputy president calling for investigations, but not to dismiss DCI. Because he has
to be fair to him, they called the chief of staff immediately.
Agreed, but then him as a boss, he came and dismissed. And in fact, if you listen to him in that funeral, he casted aspersions on the commitment of the DCI in the investigations. Remember, he has reminded us that he's the deputy president, second in command in this country. He should have taken this issue seriously and say, these are intruders in my office. Who are they? And I want action to be taken against these people.
They did that with the lady.
Let me continue.
Yes.
But then you do through a letter, through an officer.
Yes.
But then the boss comes.
Yes.
But then the boss comes and dismisses. Now, the issue here is, we should, and I expected him, being the second in command, to allow investigation. And if he feels that these institutions are not giving enough attention, or perhaps maybe they are skewed, he should have even requested for private investigators or hired private investigators to unravel this issue, because this is a very serious matter. And then 2, when it comes to his life being in danger, I love that such a matter, because this is a man who is guarded 24 hours with over 50 or 100 officers every day. So then who want to destroy him? For what reasons? And then 2, if there are these issues, is indeed too sensitive to discuss in public, why don't you discuss with the officers concerned? DCI is under you and everybody else. We expected these people to go that way. But let me tell you, Mijungu.
Yes.
And I will take you back. You know, I've been around for long now, because I played active politics in 2007 up to 2012. Raila, I think in 2010, 11. When he realized that he was in a corner, he said, my life is in danger and I needed additional securities, and he was given. Remember again in 20.
You think that's the game the deputy president is playing?
Of course, this is politics. When you realize that your politics,
with his life,
when you realize that politics, your political ground is shifting very fast because of these other new arrangements, then you look for something to hang on. So I will not buy idea, this issue, the narrative that is here, that they are propagating, that there is his life is in danger. And remember, the same security, you have a right to choose over those 70 elite squad. It is upon him to choose who to work with or not to work with. So for anyone to claim that his life is in danger, he's playing politics. This is sideshow.
Okay.
And I will tell you that I expected my friends, and I will request them once again, that they should take this incident in the DP's office and with seriousness that it requires. Not to go and play politics, because all what I am seeing is diversionary. Okay. They don't want these investigations to be concluded.
No, Ken,
just allow me. The issue of Echesa was dismissed from the government. Who is this Echesa, and who is this person who is closer to Echesa that allows Echesa to use the deputy president office to carry an illegality?
Hold your thought. I'm told we have to take a 30-second break, but we come back and I want to talk to Joy about this. I want to try and distinguish between the 2 points that you are making. I want Joy to come in and tell me exactly, listening to the two of you, because there must be someone who is really pointed at a narrative, and there must be someone who is really pointed at these are the facts, and they're out there starting from Lamada, right? So I want Joy to weigh in on that. But first, let's take a break and continue participating in our program. I can say a lot of comments, we'll be scrolling them on the screen and we'll be reading some of them. Stay with us, we're back in a moment.